Good morning, children. So at the
Good
beginning
morning,
of this
ma'am.
class, I
Good
think
morning,
we
ma'am.
can take a spelling test.
morning,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Spelling test on based on the new words that we learned it in the last class. So first one, are you ready? First one, nervous system. First one, nervous system. I hope it's over. Second one, brain.
Ma'am, brain.
Brain. Next one, spinal cord. Spinal cord.
Ma'am, coat or code?
Cord. Spinal cord. Next one, nerves. 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 Let me repeat that last one, fourth one. That is nerves. Nerves. Brain, spinal cord, nerves. So first one,
Ma'am, first one, nervous.
nervous system. First one, nervous system.
Ma'am, finish.
First one, nervous system. Second one, brain. Third one, spinal cord. Fourth, the last one, nerves.
Ma'am, are you taking test?
Spelling test. Okay. Anupama, wait, because it is already 10 minutes late. So wait, okay. So children, I hope it is over. Now you can check it using this slide. Okay. The spellings are there in this slide. Okay. See, nervous system. Can you see it here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then brain is here. Spinal cord is here. Nerves are here. Okay. Check your spellings, children. Anna and Maria, please mute your audio. And Maria, please mute your audio. So children, if any of the spelling is wrong, you have to write and study it. Okay. You have to get that spellings. That is very important. Not now. You can study it in your leisure time. Okay. In your free time. So
Can you show again?
Okay. I will show it again.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am. My all
Okay, if it is all are correct, means congratulations. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, no problem. No problem. So, children,
Ma'am, I actually forgot about learning.
Okay, those
But
who
I
got
got full marks.
Okay, Aditi. Those who got all that correct, congratulations. And if anybody missed any of the spelling, don't worry, you can learn it. Okay? Learn it and get that spellings. So, shall I start today's class?
Yes.
Okay. So, we learned about organ system that controls all the functions in our body. Am I correct? We learned there is an organ system that controls all the functions in our body. What is the Parvati? What is the name of the organ system that controls all the functions in our body?
Nervous system.
Nervous system. So if we learn that nervous system, we should know which are the organs in that organ system, isn't it? Which all organs are associated with that organ system. So let me ask Anupama, which are the organs that helps in nervous system?
Brain.
Only brain is there.
Nose.
Nerves, okay. Brain, nerves, and what more is there?
Heart. Spinal cord.
No,
Ma'am,
Anselin,
Ma'am,
Anselin,
say?
Anselin.
Spinal cord. Yes, ma'am.
Children, please wait. Let me ask to Anselin. Yes, Anselin.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Okay,
Spinal
so I
cord.
request all to mute your audio because I can ask questions. Okay. So Anupama, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one Anselin told the answer?
Spinal cord.
Okay, so which are the parts of nervous system, Anupama?
Brain, spinal cord, nerves.
Okay, up to that we learned in the last class. Okay, so today we can learn in detail about these parts. Okay, the organs in the nervous system. So first one, it is the brain. So I don't think, should I repeat the importance of brain? In the last class we discussed it, isn't it? It is very important. Where we can see this brain, where is its position?
On the head.
In
On
head.
the head.
Okay, so it is a jelly-like organ, isn't it?
Brain
Very
like a
soft.
jelly. Yes.
It is very soft, jelly-like organ. It is situated in our head. As it is very important, as it is in the form of a jelly, we should protect it, isn't it? Shiva Dhyan, if you are attending the class, sit properly. Okay, so here it is protected by framework of bone. See in this picture, can you see this one, children? This
Yes,
natural helmet, no? We told already, we told. It is good. Can you see this one? Yeah. What is
Yes,
that
yes,
one? What is the name of that part?
Spinal cord.
Skull. Okay, skull.
Skull.
S-K-U-L-L. Skull. I hope you can see it clearly. So
Yes,
brain is inside the skull. Brain is inside the skull. Skull is a framework of bone. Skull is the framework of bone that protects the jelly-like brain inside it. Clear? So, which is the or what is the name of the part? Listen properly, Sarah Jose. What is the name of the part that protects the brain?
Skull.
What is the spelling of skull?
S-K-U-L-L.
Okay, so next question to Henry. So brain is protected by which part, Henry? Henry, brain is protected by which part?
Spinal cord.
I can't hear you. Brain is John Daniel.
telling spinal cord.
Okay, John Daniel, brain is protected by which part?
Spinal cord.
Next one. And Maria, brain is protected by
Skull.
skull. So Henry and John Daniel, listen here. Henry and John Daniel, can you see this one? Can you see a helmet-like portion covering the brain? Can you see it, Henry?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it, John?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of that part? See here also, on the face also you can see. Can you see it? Okay, what is the name of it?
Skull.
Skull. So children, write down the spelling of skull. S-K-U-L-L. Skull. New word. S-K-U-L-L. Skull. So skull is the organ, framework of bone that protects the brain inside. Okay. So in the respiratory system, we learned lungs, windpipe, these all are protected by, what is the name of that framework? Rib cage. Okay, rib cage. In the same way, our brain, John Daniel, brain is protected by
Skull.
Skull. What is the spelling of skull?
SKULL.
Okay. Henry, what is the spelling of skull?
SKULL.
Okay, so this is about the brain, isn't it? It is protected by the skull. See, the brain manages the entire body functions. It manages the entire body functions. And not only that, see, weight of this brain is about 1.5 kilogram, 1.5 kg. Okay, 1.5 kg by weight. So children, when you are seeing, see in the second picture, can you see it is like a walnut, isn't it? So many foldings are there. See here, you can see it is like two parts. Am I right? It is like two parts. It seems to be appear like in two parts, isn't it? So that picture is the top view of the brain. Okay, listen, children, mute your audio, everyone. The second picture which it is shown in the slide, that is the top view of our brain. When we are looking from the top, how it is? It looks like a two lobes. Okay, it is made of two lobes, two parts, left lobe and right lobe. Okay, so in your brain also, how many lobes are there? How many lobes are there? Two lobes. Left lobe and right lobe. Let me share that picture. It is the top view of the brain. And here you can see two lobes. This is just I am writing it is left, it is right. Okay. So children, I think almost all the students of in this class are using right hand for writing. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Controlled by the left brain.
Who
And it is controlled by the left lung.
Wait. Okay, Devadarshan. I think I am just remembering. Devadarshan is using left hand. Am I right, Devadarshan? Leia also. Okay. Wait, children. Mute your audio, everyone. So almost, it is not their fault. It is not the, it is no problem with that. Okay, it is all normal. We all are using our right hand for writing. And for example, Devadarshan and Laya, they are writing as usually as they are using their left hand, isn't it? See, when we are using our right hand, when I am raising my right hand, actually the left part of my brain is controlling my action. Okay, it is an interesting thing. Our left part of the brain controls the functions in the right part of our body. Okay? When we are able to raise my hand or when I am able to take anything using my left hand, actually the right part of my brain is helping me for that. Okay, opposite. It is like opposite. Left part of brain helps to do the functions in the right part. Right part of the brain helps to do the functions in our left body part. Clear? Opposite. So,
Ma'am, I told it.
okay, in Layas and Devadash. So when we are writing using right hand, left part of the brain is helping us. Okay, clear? But in Devadarshan and in Laya's case, it is they are using left hand, so their right part is helping them while they are writing. That is not a problem. Okay, so it is sometimes it is also like that. Okay, so understood, students? And one more important thing I want to share with you. I told we have two parts of our brain, left part, right part, left lobe, we can call it as lobes, left lobe, right lobe. Okay, in that, when say today it is math class, isn't it? You have to do problems, mathematical solutions. So when you are doing some maths problems, actually your left part of the brain helps you for doing it. Okay, so left part of the brain is helping you to do your math problem when you are learning some languages. Able, listen here, when you are learning some languages, this left part of your brain is developing. It is developing. They are getting more and more work, isn't it? That is why when you are learning English, Hindi, Malayalam, now one more subject is there. Which is that subject? French. Okay. When you are learning more and more languages, it is actually you are helping your left part of the brain to develop. When we are doing more and more practice, actually, we are giving exercise to left part of our brain, isn't it? So when we are doing exercise, what will happen? It will develop. It will develop. That is why your math teacher is giving homeworks. Are you doing homeworks? Huh?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
don't miss maths homeworks. Not only a math, all the homeworks, because these all will help you to develop your brain. Okay, so when we do some speeches, okay, speeches, if we are able to deliver some speech, at that time, a well-developed left brain will help you in delivering some speeches. See, when we remember something, when I ask some questions, you will remember some, no? Which is the organ system that helps you to control our body function. You have to remember. What is that? When you are remembering, the left part is helping you for remembering. For writing, remembering, calculation, for learning language. These all are by the help of the left part of our brain. Is it clear, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are well in drawing, artistic work, if you can draw, you can color it nicely, if you can play some musical instruments, if you are able to sing. I think Tonio is here in this class. No,
No, ma'am.
not in this. Okay. So, yeah. So if you are able to sing well, that is by the development of the right part of your brain. Clear? Huh? Because artistic functions all are controlled by the right part of our brain. Okay, so if you are able to do some what models, if you are able to do some project works, if it is very artistic way, that is actually the development of the by the development of your right brain. Okay, so try to do these all. So through these, you can develop your brain. I hope it is clear now. Is it clear, children? Adide, what is why you are raising your hand?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I will draw, color, and make crafts every single day.
okay, okay. No need to do it in a single way. So almost
Ma'am.
all round
Ma'am,
development of the.
also, ma'am, I know how to play a keyboard and flute.
Okay, good, good. That is why, children, in the schools, we are providing you the musical instrument class, music class, isn't it? Huh? And some subjects also are teaching different languages. We are craft. We are teaching, isn't it? So
Ma'am, also, ma'am,
these
again.
all makes you a overall development of your brain. Both the parts should be balanced, isn't it? Okay, so I hope it is clear now. So just we can go to the next part of the nervous system. What is that one? That is called spinal cord. Okay,
Excuse
spinal
me, ma'am.
cord. Yes.
The lobes of the brain is also called as cortex.
Shiva?
The two lobes of the brain is also called as the cortex.
Okay, big something you are saying, but it's not clear. Okay, I hope students understood, isn't it? So here, the spinal cord. Spinal cord is a bundle of nerves. Okay, spine. See, yeah. Before that, let me see. You just touch the back of your neck, from the neck to the back side down. Can you see a tough pipe like a hard pipe like structure is going down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. That one is called backbone. That one is called backbone. Back pain, your mother or your parents will, or your grandparents will tell it, no? Back pain. Back pain means pain on that backbone. Backbone is a framework of tough, hard bone. It is the framework of bone, starting from the top of our neck to the lower part of our body. Okay, so
did not have a work.
okay, so here I am
Ma'am.
showing this one. Wait, children. So here I am showing the second picture. Down in the second picture, can you see that backbone? It is the framework of bone. This part is called backbone. Is it clear? First, you have to understand what is backbone. Backbone is a framework of bone that is that we can see it on the back side of our body. Inside the backbone, say just think in your house, the wires are passing through it, no? For passing the electricity, wires are there. So if it is a new house, means you can't see it because the wires are all inside the walls. But I think in the schools or in the somewhere you can see the pipes are passing through the walls, on the walls, and inside the pipes, what it is there? So many wires are there.
So many
Blue
wires.
color, red color, green
Yellow.
color, isn't it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yeah, like these colored bundles of wires are passing through these pipes, isn't it? In order to make it in a group that we are putting it in the pipes. Okay, it is easy to keep it on the walls. So in the same way, inside our backbone, just think our backbone is like the pipe. Okay. Inside the backbone, what is present? So many nerves are present. Nerves are means wires, wire-like structures. So here you can see it. Yellow in color. Can you see this yellow in color? Children, please mute your audio. Devadarshan, I am muting, but it's not. So here you can see in the as a continuation of the brain. Brain is in yellow in color. As a continuation of the brain, like a tail, can you see the bundles of brain yellow in color?
Yes, ma'am.
That is called spinal cord. That is called spinal cord. As it is very delicate, this backbone is covering that, enclosing this
Ma'am,
spinal
somebody
cord.
is making noise.
This covering is enclosing the spinal cord. Backbone is enclosing the spinal cord. Is it clear, children? Okay, so here by the protection of this backbone, we can the spinal cord, which is as a continuation of the brain, looks like a long tail of the brain. So which organ looks long tail of the brain?
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. See, spinal cord is protected by which organ?
Backbone.
Backbone.
So in another case, another question also I can ask, the backbone encloses the dash in it. Backbone
cord.
encloses the dash in it.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. What is called the bundle of nerves?
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Bundle of nerves are called spinal cord.
Spinal cord.
Where does this spinal cord originate? Starts from
Brain.
brain starts from the brain as a continuation, as it like the tail of a brain. Which is looks like the tail of a brain. Jaswin, Which organ looks like the tail of a brain? Tail of a brain.
Backbone.
Is it backbone?
Spinal
Varanda?
cord.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. It is the
Spinal
spinal cord.
Spinal
See,
cord.
children.
Spinal cord.
So here we can see spinal cord we learned, and the next one, it is the nerves. Okay, so you can see so from the as a continuation of the brain, like a long tail of the brain, you can see the spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord. It is a bundle of nerves. From the spinal cord, just see it is some of the nerves, some of the wires are branched out to different organs. Can you see that, children? That yellow colored wire from the
Yes,
spinal cord, it is passing through the different parts of the organ, just like the branches of the tree, isn't it? So roots are
Yes,
there. Trunk is the spinal cord. From the trunk, so many branches. These branches are the nerves, wires that are getting it into different parts of our body. Isn't it? Henry, did I tell anything to write? So, this branch nerves, what are nerves? Nerves are wires, wire-like structures that are starting from the spinal cord. Okay, bundles of nerves make spinal cord. From the spinal cord, each nerve is originating and getting it into different parts of our body. See, children, in your house, fans are working. Now also fans are working, isn't it? So if you don't want to use that fan, what you will do? Switch off the
We
switch,
switch off.
isn't it? Fan switch. Okay. So we can control the actual working of the fan using the switch, isn't it? We can make switch on or we can put it switch off. Then we can control the working of the fan. So what it is there when we are switching on that switches, what is there that connect the switch and the fan? Is there anything that connects?
Yes, ma'am.
What it is? Wires are there.
Wires.
Okay, wires are connected to the switches and to the fans. Through these wires, what is flowing?
Electricity.
Okay, electricity is flowing. So we can control the flow of electricity by using the switches, isn't it? Wires are connecting the switch and the fan. If anything happens to the wires, can we control the working of the fan?
No.
No. Okay. So in the same way, see, if I want to raise my hand, if I want to raise my right hand, my brain should send some message. Who is carrying that message from brain to my hand?
Nerves.
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 Okay, like the wires are carrying electricity, like the wires are carrying electricity from the switches to the fan, in the same way, messages are carried from our brain to our different parts of the body through these nerves. So nerves are the carriers of message. Understood? Nerves are the carriers of message from brain to different parts of body or from different parts of the body to brain. Okay. So these nerves are carriers of messages. So here you can see what are nerves. Nerves are like wires. They are spread in our entire body like a spider's web. From the picture also you can understand it, isn't it? They connect different body parts and organs to the spinal cord and to the brain. So about the nerves, about their actions, how they are working, we will learn it in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you understood today's topic.
Yes, ma'am.